NaN equals NaN, and that single quirk silently breaks set deduplication across countless real-world apps. Most developers miss this until production. Initializes a new set instance by passing an array containing 3 NaN values. Since set stores unique values and uses same value zero equality, where NaN is considered equal to itself, all 3 NaN entries collapse into a single entry, resulting in a set with one element. Outputs the number of elements currently stored in the set variable, which reflects how many unique values were added during initialization. Creates a new map instance named map to store key value pairs, preparing it for subsequent insertion operations using an iteration over NaN values with custom key handling. Starts a forEach loop on an array of 3 NaN values, passing each value as the parameter into the callback function for repeated processing within the block. Conditionally determines the key to use when storing in the map. If n is NaN, verified via number.isNaN, assigns the string __NaN_ as the key, otherwise uses the value itself as the key. Inserts an entry into the map variable using the computed key, always __NaN__, and the original NaN value as the stored value. Since all 3 calls use the identical key, each subsequent set overwrites the previous entry. This statement moves the program flow forward and contributes to the final behavior of the code. Outputs the number of unique key value pairs currently held in the map variable, which reflects how many distinct keys were set during the iteration. Use map with number.isNaN to reliably deduplicate NaN values. Subscribe for daily coding videos.